Hello everyone, welcome to Solution Insight. I'm Mike. Today, join us on an electrifying journey as we venture into the groundbreaking world of edge computer vision solutions. This incredible fusion of Lanner's cutting-edge edge AI appliances and Chooch's visionary computer vision platform is set to redefine the future. In the world of retail manufacturing, the power of computer vision is being harnessed to unveil the real-time insights into the heart of business operations. Imagine enhancing your existing camera systems with computer vision technology, turning them into valuable business insights and interpret our environments, identify critical anomalies, and respond in real time. Lanner and Chooch have joined forces to offer a comprehensive turnkey computer vision solution that empowers the customers to manage the entire process seamlessly. Chooch is a leading computer vision platform provider trusted by the Fortune 500 companies to help them build better computer vision solutions for challenging business applications such as retail loss prevention, production quality assurance, workplace safety monitoring, and security. Here are the key benefits of using Chooch's computer vision platform. Number one, easy deployment. This platform is fast, easy to deploy, and whether self-hosted in the cloud or on-premise, using out-of-the-box pre-trained ReadyNow models for common applications like object detection, image recognition, and more. Users can get up and running quickly as soon as possible. And for number two, scalable users can add video streams seamlessly by automating a data collection from multiple devices and push models into production without DevOps. Number three, process image and video data transfer. Chooch's inferencing engine is optimized for low frame per second environments, resulting in lower GPU resource requirements. And number four, integrate Gen AI with computer vision. The user can leverage prompt engineering for systematically query cameras and visual content to generate more accurate detections faster, improving efficiency and productivity. To process a large amount of video data in real time, Lanner provides the edge AI hardwares, including the ruggedized edge AI appliances, the LEC2290E, and the edge AI server NCA6530. The LEC2290E is an NVIDIA certified industrial-grade computer that is perfect for edge AI applications. It is packed with onboard Intel Core i7 CPU and NVIDIA A2 GPU, giving it the power to handle even the most demanding AI tasks. The LEC2290E is also come with a 2 removable HDD SSD and a PGN slot for LTE connectivity, making it perfect and ideal for deployments in remote or harsh environments. For high-performance edge AI servers, the NCA6530 is an edge AI server that is designed for the most demanding AI applications. It is powered by the dual Intel Xeon scalable processor and offers up to 1.5 gigabytes of system memory. It also has a full height full length or PCIe full height half length slot for integrating GPU accelerators such as the NVIDIA A30, making it one of the most powerful edge AI servers on the market. Lanner's edge AI hardware is a future of video processing. With its powerful AI accelerators and rugged design, Lanner's edge AI hardware can help you unlock the full potential of your video data. So thank you everyone for watching this episode of Solution Insight. So if you have any more questions regarding Lanner and Chooch's computer vision solutions, please contact us and we'll get back to you. See you next time.